GPS check. Turn car, yes. All right, here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hear a car. Well, that wasn't the greatest pass at all, but I was steering the crap out of it. This is only the second pass on it, I believe, if I remember right. So I got a lot of suspension and steering to figure out. Oh, here we go. It's gonna pull one of these. Of course. It is on there. All right, here we go. A 99. That's not bad for the second pass. This might be the third. I might have ran it. I think, yeah, I think I went like 50 or 59 the first actual time on the road. Then I made a halfway decent pass in the low 90s, the second pass, and this is the third. So I'm happy with that. I'd like to hit the 100. It'd be my first time on 2S hitting 100. And I have another fully charged big 2S battery at SMC. It's the same size. We'll see what happens. Why is this app acting funny? Look at it. It's like in slow motion or something. Oh boy, I probably should restart it, but then I gotta wait for satellites. Alright, let's do it. Let's hit 100. I have to make sure I don't hit that dead animal. All right, here we go. That's all she had. That was a long trigger, full trigger. It didn't sound as strong to me as the last pass, but maybe I could be wrong for sure. You can hear the drag brake. I like a little drag brake on it. Oh, I didn't tape the front end up. Of course, it's only going 100. All right, let's see. Please work. Yes! Oh my god, that's funny. That is so funny. Dead on 100. I am so happy with that. Very happy with that. Yeah. I want to check these temps real quick. Am I forgetting anything? Got to be hot. Yeah, it's just under 100. Very nice, actually.